And look at Kusa's spot. He's in such a prime spot, but oh no, the bullets are not on his side. Zeppa gets 2 kills. NaturE, he's got the sheriff on his back. He's good for the 1, and that's so much damage on the second. Look at the HPs of Cloud9. This is completely doable. 1 versus 1. Oh, and he does it!
A Red Bull clutch for NaturE to kick off the second half of 4K. And you're right, they were so weak, but even if they're weak, you've got to land the shots. NaturE does it for Gen G.
What a pistol round to start things off with. The aggression from Cloud9 and the hit